delicious surprises
before your very eyes. A scratch, a smile, a shake, a shine, a shoe.
When you go out shopping, why don't you just pop in? Mopatop's the shop for me and you.
Oh, hello. Welcome to Mopatop shop. I'm Mopatop, and this is my shop. I've got everything you could ever think or dream of in this shop. Oh, and if there's something you like that you can't see, just tell me, and I'll find it for you. Would you like, a telephone? Or a juicy bone? What's that?
Hi, my name's Dave. Sorry to disturb you, but I smell a bone.
Oh, that would be this one.
Roo! The very one.
Then you shall have it.
Thanks, Mopatop. You're the best Mopatop in the whole world.
A bone for a dog. Thank you, Dave.
Good morning, Mopatop.
Oh, hello, Puppyduck. That's a very nice tune you're whistling.
Oh, thanks. I made it up myself.
Oh, there goes the telephone. Excuse me.
Oh, don't worry. I'll get it. Hello, Mopatop's shop. Oh, yes, Mrs. Canary. How can I help?
It's someone called Mrs. Canary.
Yes, we have everything and anything in this shop. So send Kevin round this morning. Bye now.
Oh, who's Kevin, Puppyduck?
Oh, Mrs. Canary's oldest chick. He's singing his first song this evening, but he's a bit scared.
Oh, poor Kevin. Oh, here comes Lamont with a delivery.
Delivery? Oh, it's a log.
But I'm not just any log. I'm a Cheery Log, and I'd like to say you're looking terrific.
Oh, am I really? Well, thank you. And thank you, Lamont.
Yeah, anytime.
Goodbye?
Goodbye.
Isn't he great? I mean, don't you just love him?
We certainly do. Oh, I'm Mopatop, by the way.
Pleased to meet you. I've heard all about your shop. It's the greatest in the world.
Oh, we like to think so.
Did I hear you say that you're a Cheery Log?
Yes, you did. Say, you must be that clever mouse I've heard about.
Why, yes. Nobody's ever called me clever before. I feel terrific.
And so do I, now that I've met you.
Oh, you must be Kevin Canary. Welcome to Mopatop shop.
Hello.
Oh, I'm Mopatop, and this is Puppyduck.
Hello, Kevin. Your mother phoned us.
I know. I'm singing my first song tonight at the Flying Feathers party. All the other birds will be listening. Oh.
How exciting.
Well, it's a little bit exciting, but it's a lot scary. Oh, Mopatop and Puppyduck, I need something to make me feel brave.
Something to make you feel brave coming right up.
Don't worry, she won't be a minute.
How about a pirate's hat? Pirates are brave. They're not afraid of anything.
A pirate's hat would make me feel brave.
But you're already brave, aren't you?
Oh, yes. Yes, I am.
There. How do you feel?
Silly, and I can't see a thing.
Oh. There you go.
How about this brave canary flag?
A brave Moosey flag would make me feel brave.
Oh, yes.
I don't think so. Oh, dear. I'm sorry, but none of these things are making me feel brave.
Oh, I know. Why don't you sing us your song?
What? Now?
Yes. Maybe practicing the song will make you feel brave.
Good idea. I'd love to hear his song.
And so would I. I'm sure it's wonderful.
Do you know something? You're a very nice log.
And you're a very nice mouse.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Ready.
Ready! Oh, all right then, if you're ready.
Please let me say, so you know right away, Canary's a wonderful fellow. He's brave and he's true, he's good through and through, and of course, he's outstandingly yellow. When the going gets rough, he's amazingly tough, as over the mountain he's winging. His voice is so sweet, you're in for a treat the moment this fellow starts singing. You see what I mean? The most wonderful bird that there's been. What a fine little fellow. The canary is king and he's yellow.
Hooray, Kevin!
That was wonderful.
Yay! Kevin Canary! Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, that was wonderful! That was brilliant!
Was it? Was it really?
Yes! Yes, really it was! Oh, I loved it!
Wow, I feel terrific.
Oh, excellent. Now we know exactly what you need.
One cheery log coming up.
You mean I can have this log to tell me that I'm wonderful and to make me feel terrific?
It's all yours.
And I can't think of a nicer bird to belong to. Yay, Kevin!
Do you mind if I wrap you up?
Of course not. Nobody wraps logs up better than you. Yay, Puppyduck!
Thanks.
So, good luck with your song tonight.
I can't wait to sing now, Mopatop. I'm not scared at all.
Here's your cheery log. Are you sure you can carry it?
Of course he can. He's strong.
Oh, thanks, Mopatop. Thanks, Puppyduck.
Woohoo! Mopatop shop!
Another happy customer.
Bye.
Oh, there goes the big clock. It's time to close the shop. Oh, thank you very much for coming. I hope we see you again soon.
Very, very soon. Goodbye.
Bye. Time to clear up.
You want it, we got it. Mopatop has